Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel in the Knife Series playlist. Now, I will admit I'm not the most knowledgeable on knives, especially on different types of steel. I just give little reviews on what I like and tell why I like it. So if you have any comments you want to add, feel free to leave a comment in the section below and show me some interaction. Tell me if I made a little bit of mistakes and give me some constructive criticism. Okay, let's get started on this thing. I did carry this thing for one day, I believe. No, I didn't. I didn't carry it at all. But I did already open the package. We are going to look at the Smith & Wesson. Well, look at this in a frame here. Smith & Wesson Professional Quality Tools. This is made with 8CR13 MOV steel, G10 insert, frame lock. There we go. Model number SW609, and on the back of the package has some more information. Let's see where it's made in China. There we go. Okay, Battenfeld product, a subsidiary of American Outdoor Brands Corporation. www.aob.com. There we go. That's all the information that's really worthwhile reading on here. Well, let's put this aside. There we go. What do you think about that? Has the gunmetal finish on here. Big thumb studs on here. Pocket clip on the back. It's got the G10 overlay on one side only. It is able to be taken apart for maintenance. Lanyard hole right here. Now, I've always called these grippers, but they're actually called, correct me if I'm wrong, but Jimping. At the back and the front. The back, it kind of fits good on the palm of your hand, so help a little bit from slippage. Pretty comfortable. Not the most comfortable I have, but not bad either. It is a hollow ground. And here's the edge profile right here. What do you think about that? Frame lock, which means the frame on each side of the blade, one of them will move over and lock the blade into place. Let's see if I can get a close-up of this in action. There we go. Move my fingers out of the way. There we go. Move this slowly open. There we go. See it pop into place? Do that one more time. Pop into place. There we go. Pretty nice knife. I'm happy with it so far. There we go. It is not assisted. But you have to pop it open or use your hand. It doesn't matter. Now, I don't have the biggest hands, but I can open it, and with more practice I'll be able to do it in one motion. There we go. Okay, for me personally, if I have anything else in my pocket, this is a little large, but I can carry it in my other pocket, which won't be really natural for me. Has some design on the back right here. Check that out. Each side. Here's the centering of the blade. A lot of people find that to be a very determining factor if they purchase the knife or not. Is there any blade play? Very little blade play. So since this is just a very quick first look review, I need to carry this for a couple of weeks and then come back and give a final review on this thing. But let's give it a paper test to begin with. Some people hate the paper test. Some people don't mind it. But make your own decision on that. Oh, feels like it has a little nick in the blade. Let's go over here. Yep. Yep. Huh. Yeah, there is a slight nick in it, but it still cuts. Ooh, I can feel the nick. So since I can do this, it's not the sharpest blade, but I can feel the nick. Put it on my wicked edge and sharpen this thing up. Shouldn't be a problem. Not a bad knife. Not my favorite. Not a bad knife. So stay tuned for future videos, and maybe you'll see a review on this one after I carry it for a while. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you spending your time with us.